Hello everyone, and welcome to my Seattle Airbnb, which I've been calling home for a couple of weeks now, so I thought I would give you a tour. I think it's always nice to have an idea of the layout of apartments when you're watching videos, so let me show you that. So as soon as you enter the apartment, there's a feline to greet you, and it's a posit because that is actually the cat closet where they have their litter boxes and the crates that they came over in. So it's all pretty convenient and nice that that is right there. So that's basically operating as what you guys may know as my ugly room, where I put all the stuff that isn't very aesthetically pleasing. And everything in this apartment is really beautifully decorated. I'm so pleased with it. I feel like everything is very tasteful, simple, and functional, and everything came very well equipped. Of course, I still had to get some extra things because I like to cook, so the kitchen was never going to be, you know, perfect for me because I, for example, wanted a big stock pot and they didn't have one, so I did order one, and I ordered some spices and a microplane. But that's about it. Everything else was pretty much groceries. It's been a really good experience in that way. The apartment is very open plan, so I'll show you a big pan of the room and then we will go through and get to know things, such as Sammy's little habitat there, in a little bit more detail. But here is a pan of this kind of main living area of the apartment, and it's like a big circle where you go around, and this sort of wall is what separates the apartment. So behind would be the closet and bedroom, and bathroom is over there. For once, I actually haven't made use of all of the storage in the apartment because I only came with a couple of suitcases and a box of jewelry making supplies, but this is my little sort of where you put your handbag down nook. So I've got my college bag and my Chanel flap here. You guys have seen these sunglasses in a couple of my videos now. They're my new Gucci's. Some of you love them, some of you hate them, but in real life I've been getting a lot of compliments about them and I've really enjoyed wearing them. I have a little camera charging station there as well, of course. And then I actually keep my Nouvelle Apparel inventory in these little cupboards. That's actually my speaker that I came here with. I don't know why. I thought I would need my own speaker, so I brought it with me, and it's been nice to have, you know, some chill bossa nova playing in the background while I make orders. If you guys are curious to see the inside of my fridge, here it is. It's not exciting enough to deserve its own video, but these two cheeses are excellent. Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, and this one is actually really good if you like a creamy cheese. Burrata, Q tonic from my new favorite gin and tonic recipe, and then over here is my new spice rack, as well, of course, as a little bit of chocolate and basic ingredients like olive oil, etc. These trays were originally on the coffee table when I moved in, but I've turned one into a bit of a fruit bowl, and the other one you will see in the bathroom where I keep all of my makeup. So little trays like that I find very useful, and there's a few things that I've rearranged while I've been here just for practicality's sake, but not too many. So over here there's a nice mirror. I like the modern kind of West Elm vibes that are going on with the decor. Nice big table and a nice big desk. This area is very spacious, and I really love how much light comes in through these windows. It's a corner unit, and that's been really nice for my jewelry making. So you can see I have some of my supplies in this Louis Vuitton box, and then over here at my desk I have all of my supplies. So this is where all of the Nouvelle Pearl magic happens. So this is my new collection, which I'm absolutely in love with. These are the earrings that I'm wearing right now filming this video. They're little sterling silver hoops with these beautiful pearls. This is an outgoing order that I have to drop off. I have some new cards here as well that I've just received and I'm using to write my handwritten notes for you guys. And then these are the stones that I'm using for my gem elixir collection. There are 4 others as well, but this is amethyst, which I've just received, and then I just got a new batch of sapphire and emeralds. And especially with the sapphires, if you guys want to order something with sapphire soon, this batch is especially dark, and the darker and richer the color of a sapphire, the more valuable it is. So I think these are really, really beautiful. And then I have some emeralds as well, so I'm very excited to be offering those stones and working with gemstones in general. I have some more gemstones and pearls in those trays. These are Baroque pearls, and these are freshwater pearls in rose gold and classic white. And then I have some packaging going on in that corner, so I won't bore you too much with more pearl stuff. There's a ton more pearls in there, but I thought you'd like to see where your orders get made. I love how open plan the kitchen is and the way there's this big island, so if I have people over, it's nice to just be able to see them and talk to them while I cook, and it's also pretty nice for my what I eat in a day videos as well. What's a bit funny is that then there's a giant kind of empty area here where there's no furniture, but it's sort of nice and flow through in that then you have this really gorgeous little patio with comfy furniture, so it's just a nice feature of the unit that you get to have that time outside when it's a nice day. Sitting out there with a glass of wine is pretty glorious, even though it's not actually spring or summer yet. I did purchase this Barefoot Dreams blanket. It didn't come with the unit. I thought my cats would enjoy it. BB had a Barefoot Dreams blanket that I bought at Nordstrom Rack when she was a kitten, so she loves the feel of it. When they feel like it, they let me use it sometimes as well. And then I got this fun little shark cat nest for Sammy because she's a bit more of a hidey kind of shy cat that's still getting used to humans. So I thought I would give her a cute and snuggly place to hide. And she spent some of her time there, and believe it or not, sometimes both of them squeeze in there together, which is pretty cute. There's a lot of fun little decor items like this magnetic hourglass that, there we go, you can flip, and then I did get a couple of candles to make everything more cozy. If you've never seen one of these gadgets, it's pretty awesome. I should really trim this wick, but I'm gonna light it for you. I really like this line of candles called Homesick. They have one for every state, and I wanted to see what Washington smelled like, so I ordered it, and it's really good. It smells like Earl Grey and vanilla. This TV situation just screams West Elm. I don't actually know if it's from West Elm or not, but it's very much like those kinds of vibes. And then there's the stools, which are not very comfortable, but they're kind of low profile, so I like that they're not too in the way or anything like that. And that is basically this main living area. It's very spacious. Of course, she found the snuggly spot on the Barefoot Dreams blanket. Oh yes, stretchy stretch. And over here, cunningly concealed in her sea monster bed, great white shark, we have a baby Sammy. Look at those pretty paws. May we pet the paws? It's clearly cat nap time over here. Do you guys ever do this with your cats? I don't know why it's so amusing. You're just growing so well, Sammy. Aw, you guys, kitty cat update. I have been living for BB and Sammy bath time. They're so funny together and so sweet. And I'm so proud of BB because Sammy is full of energy. Despite that, she somehow brings out BB's super patient and motherly side, which is unexpected. And I just think they are the cutest together. Turn left at the TV couch area. You then have this pretty long hallway, which I've never had before in an apartment. And there's a really nice full-length mirror here, which is a must. I'm wearing this super cozy chenille sweater, which I will link for you down below. And then my new earring collection, of course. It looks like BB is leading the way in showing you to the cozy bed situation. This is a really nice, spacious, industrial style bedroom. It's got a lot of concrete going on, but also some nice softness as well. It feels very kind of retro and 50s with the mustard colored chair and what looks to me like West Elm dressers. This is, like I said, my own bedding, my own sheets that I got from Frette. I absolutely love the simple piping of it, and I was overdue for a new sheet set, so I thought I would go ahead and order them while I was here since they were on sale, so that way I could enjoy them. The unit came with some parachute bedding that was just a simple white that was very nice as well. Then of course we have a cozy BB making herself at home on my clean sheets. Family photos that I take everywhere with me. That's my grandmother, and that's my mother and I on my call to the bar day. I really like these bedside table lamps actually. I love the brass, and these hexagonal mirrors are really nice as well and add a nice amount of light. And again, because it's a corner unit, there's a lot of brightness in this huge corridor window as well as you walk through. And then if we walk through here, you can see me again. Here's the bathroom. It has a nice deep soaker tub, which is a must for me. It doesn't have the best lighting situation, so my mom had given me this clip-on mirror light that I've been making really good use of while I've been here, because otherwise it's actually pretty tough love to do my makeup in this yellowy kind of bathroom. Spread out all of my toiletries here. You can see I made use of this little tray and turned it into my makeup tray. I've been really loving this Biba eyeshadow palette, and that is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. And I feel like the Monroe shadow, which is a rose gold, looks really pretty with the sweater and these earrings. That is my apartment tour. I thought you guys might be curious to see what it was like outside of just my usual videos and have a bit of an idea of the layout and some of the decor finishes, because I really like how it's finished and I really love all of the light that comes through here and the urban atmosphere with a kind of cozy vibe in terms of decor. I feel like the whole thing is very me actually, and full of a lot of things that I probably would choose if I were to decorate it myself. So thank you so much for visiting my Seattle home. If you'd like to see more videos on style and my time here as well, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next installment on style. Bye!